Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix port 433 in use by VMware application. And Apache shut down unexpectedly. Now, let's start. Click the Apache config button. Then, select the Apache httpd-ssl.conf. After that, go to Edit, and select Replace option. Now, replace the 433 port with the 4430 port. Then, click on the Replace All button. After that, go to File, and select the Save option. Now, start the Apache module. Great! It's working. Now, to remove this red warning message, go to Task Manager Application, select vmware-hostd.exe, then, click on the End Task button. Now, restart the XAMPP control panel. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with amazing and interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.